This is a 54 plate CLK convertible, and once I do the car lock, you'll see that the actuator spring in the lock has gone, and it just bounces now up and down, makes it sound like a machine gun. So what I'm going to do is going to show you a quick fix for it. The reason it's a quick fix is the actual part to replace costs about 50 pence, the broken spring, but to get to it is just a Herculean task where you've got to take off all the door cards, you've got to drill out rivets to be able to remove the lock actuator. So as a quick fix, this will work. So now what we've done is put a piece of wire down which creates the tension, and hopefully now works fine, does the job of the spring. I'd say it's probably only a temporary fix, but it will make life easier for you.